All right. What is going on, guys? Welcome, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Dano Crypto. Today, I do not have the answers. I don't know if I've ever had the answers, guys. But I just feel like with all of the volatility, with the tariffs, we got this Epstein list apparently going to be released today. Gene Hackman and his wife and dog murdered, possibly. Found dead in their apartment, or found dead in their house. All in the same day that they're going to be releasing the Epstein files. I don't know what the hell's going on, guys. There's some craziness happening. It's just crazy. Richard Hart is begging Vitalik Buterin to have a better advertising campaign for ETH because obviously Bitcoin has better PR. There is no better advertisement and PR than Bitcoin because people just promote it without it having a central owner or an organization that is, quote, the CEO. We just had Satoshi Nakamoto obviously create it and disappear. So this is this is why Bitcoin, with people promoting it, it's got the best promotion in history. So maybe Ethereum needs to learn from Bitcoin and just start sending out emails, poster cards, whatever it may be. But Ivan on Tech had to remind Richard that, Richard, remember, you are the community. You do the work. Vitalik has no expectation of delivery. So stop whining and start streaming again and sending the mail. Send it. So that's what's happening right now, guys. We got Richard Hart just now begging Vitalik to please do something with ETH. And then we have breaking news that the U.S. House Democrats are to introduce a meme act to prohibit the president, vice president, members of Congress, senior executive branch officials and their spouses, and dependent children from issuing and sponsoring or endorsing a security, future, commodity, or digital asset. So this is with the obvious, coins that have been released with the Trump administration, with Trump, Melania. Then we had Malay's coin with Argentina, the Libra scam. So this is something that could be coming down the pipe. So that's the nail in the coffin for Trump and Melania. Not good. And then we have all with these ties and the connection with the Solana blockchain. Solana is getting beat down as well. The Sol BTC is just it's just destruction. It's just destruction. So we're basically capitulating, and the Solana ecosystem is getting beat down because we were sold a mixed bag that everything is going to be going on Sol, NASDAQ on chain, fast transactions, blah, blah, blah. But then what's been happening is that we might have gotten rugged, guys. We might have gotten, fully rugged on Solana here. We were told to buy all the vape cabal coins and the JPEGs, and now we are flopping and groping. Does it mean that Solana is dead and it's gonna not ever get past its all-time high now? Or are we just having to wait? We just gotta wait. We gotta wait and see with the success of Bitcoin and ETH. Bitcoin and ETH go up, the rest of the market will follow. So let's just see. Let's see what happens. Nothing too crazy happening today. But Marty Party thinks this was in 2023, though. He said Solana will disrupt Apple, Samsung, Google, and cloud services that are provided by Microsoft and Amazon. We'll see about that. We will see about that. All right. Let's see what's trending today. We got BlackRock moves crypto to Coinbase. So market speculation. Speaking of BlackRock, we had the ETFs massive sell-off over the past couple days. Since the 20th, we've had a whopping, $2 billion of offloading of the ETFs. So that is a big contributing factor to why the Bitcoin price was dumping to begin with. And also we have an increase of breaking news that Trump is increasing the tariffs to China another extra 10% on the already 20% tariff that is proposed for the Chinese government. So this is going to be really interesting to see how this actually will play out. We had Bitcoin, if we're looking at the 200-day moving average, we had the 200-day moving average pretty much almost get hit. We went to 82.2, and we still have not basically hit the full average of what was about 80,000 to 81,000. This is where I was thinking we were actually going to go because of the CME gap that we had here and this particular range. Now, I for some reason, I feel like this could just be that quick recovery where they grab liquidity and then they trap longs again, because yesterday they were just trapping longs. In the past 2 days, they've been trapping longs. If you're looking at the 4 hour, you can see where they really they trapped longs here. You can see they trapped longs here, right here, and then they trapped them here as well. Trapped them yesterday around here, and then you can see where we had a massive big downturn. So you can see right here is like exactly where they would fake volume. You can see that fake volume come in on the one candle right here to trap the longs. They liquidate the longs. If you're not quick enough to scalp it, then they liquidate you down into this level. And so a lot of crypto got liquidated out of the markets in just 60 minutes, like in just an hour. Almost $1 billion was liquidated from the markets when we had that massive, boom, when we had that move to the downside. Nice move to the downside. Now, I'm looking at this structure here and thinking that this was another way to trap longs, because think about it. If you're able to do a quick recovery trade, then most of the people that got the quick recovery trades are now selling. Now they're going to probably come to today, and now they're going to sell because they're like, that wasn't enough of a sustained run to keep the momentum going. We just have to see how the market open is, because if the market open is going to be bearish, then we could get a quick smack to the downside to fill the gap finally on the CME gap. Fill the gap. It's right there. I mean, it's literally... Now, I don't see how this couldn't get filled if they already pulled the price down this low. You think they could pull it down a little lower? I don't know. I don't have the answers, but I am just giving you guys kind of a bearish case scenario and a bullish case scenario. So we have to go with how the market open. It's going to be in about 10 minutes here. The market's going to open. We'll see how it's doing. Let's see, maybe let's look at the S&P and see if there's like a pre-market open price here. Let's see. And then let's see like something like, like Tesla. Something like Tesla, we got a pre-market price at 295. So Tesla's sitting at 290, pre-market 295. So could be opening up with stocks and the S&P, and also just the NASDAQ opening up fairly bullish. Could have some bullish run here. And let's look at we're going to look at the coin price, but we don't have it on the list. Well, let's see in our list here what is performing the best. So Zeus is up. Zeus is up 6%. We got, let's see, what else? We haven't followed Nakamoto Games in a little while, but that's up 6%. Polkadot up 5%. We got rumors of a Polkadot ETF, then also Litecoin ETF, HBAR ETF. Lot of bullishness for those particular coins, but I think we still just have to see if Bitcoin is going to go a little lower, see where we can get a decent bounce point, a real bounce point, not a fake bounce, but a real bounce point on Bitcoin. And that's what we're going to try and figure out over the next couple days, because I for one think we're probably going to get a weekend dump to that nasty level right here. I mean, come on. If they're going to bring it this low, why would they not just go ahead and just give it to us, you know? Just give it to us. Give us that 76, give us that level, fill the gap, and then we can move on with the rest of the momentum. Because that right there, my friends, might be the key. That might be the key. But like I said, we don't have the answers. We don't know what the hell's going on, just as much as, you know, everyone else thinks they know what's going on. We're still we're still dipping our toe into the speculative stuff and trading these memes. And like we got into something a couple days ago that we ended up just cashing out, because we literally only put like $25 in this. So we got like a 3x, 4x, cashed out real quick. We saw it topping out here. We've taken profits, and this is just something that we were just playing around with. And then what else is there in the markets today? Okay, yep. So we talked about yesterday that OURBIT is doing a token airdrop. So they're going to be releasing their own token. We're going to see how that does. If you are part of the OURBIT ecosystem and you've been bullish on this exchange, then you probably have an opportunity to claim this airdrop. So you could do lockup plans. We're going to do no vesting lockup plan. If we did do it for 6 months, then it would be for getting 36,000 tokens, but just doing the zero vest plan, we're getting about 15,325 tokens. So let's see. Hopefully this thing launches at $1 or even 50 cents, man. We'd be happy. So, but yeah, shout out to OURBIT. They're super bullish. I'm bullish on OURBIT, and link in the description if you guys want to check out that exchange and test it out and see if it tickles your fancy. So make sure you're in the Discord as well. I know you guys can't handle the professionalism of my thumbnails and the artistic prowess. I know it's too much to handle. I know that it's just you've never seen thumbnails as good as these. Michael Saylor and Sonic and Trump, Gryffindor style, in a jacuzzi. I don't know where else you can get that type of imagery. Okay. So North Korea was linked to the $1.5 billion Bybit hack. That was reported. Pretty crazy. So it is looking like it was North Korea. All right. Former Binance CEO CZ says, no need to panic. Bitcoin won't die. Thank you, sir. We needed you to say that. All right. So if that's true, so there was this subcommittee that was today, or that was yesterday. So the first Bitcoin and crypto subcommittee hearing is today, chaired by Senator Loomis. And so yeah, bullish news there. And apparently today, the Epstein flight logs and names will be released today. That's I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know how you feel about that, but that's going to cause some waves here. It's going to cause some massive controversy. And I just think that I don't think they're going to give it to us just yet, guys. I really don't think they're going to give it to us just yet. Like, what do you think that was the recovery? You think they're just going to be like, yeah, here's your sweet entry at 82, and then they're just going to let you ride to Valhalla? That's what I thought about yesterday and the day before. I was like, you really think they're going to let you get this entry right here? Absolutely not. The market makers are way too money hungry. The exchanges are way too money hungry. They're the greediest of them all. They blame us and make us feel like we're the gamblers and we're the degenerates, but really the exchanges are the ones that are salivating and just like drooling on the floor to be able to scoop up all of our money. and wreck us to the downside. So, yeah, it's one of those things. It's just one of those things. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys coming in. We just wanted to do a little stream. I know normally I don't stream at this time, so there's like no one here. I think there's like 2 people here right now. So we're just chatting. We're talking to 2 people and some air, but that's all good. But we're just giving you guys a quick little update, and then we're just gonna go along with the day. You know, the moving average is 81 on the day. 15-minute 81, hour 81. We got a moving average of 81,000. Okay, they fake pumped us to the upside. We got a market open in 5 minutes. The ETFs had been sold a lot the past couple of days. 24th, we had a $500 million outflow. To 25th, we had $1.1 billion outflowed. And then to take the cake, almost tried to do that same outflow yesterday, was $754 million outflow. So that's a lot of pie being thrown in the trash. The fear has been at its lowest point this whole time. This is massive fear. I mean the fear hasn't been this low since even probably the FTX crash. So it's not looking too good, but yeah. Oof. But what are you guys looking at? I'm sure you're probably tired of looking at the Bitcoin chart, like Headband. Headband's tired of looking at the Bitcoin chart. He's like, I don't give a rip about Bitcoin. So what should I look at? You're like, stop looking at Bitcoin. All right, let's look at the other Bitcoin. Let's look at the other white meat. Let's look at the other white meat. Where is it? Where is the ticker? The ticker. I'm blind. There it is. So who knows how low the ticker is going to go? I mean, this thing hit about 6 cents. Let's see how low this thing can really go. Seems about right. Kind of following this little trend here on the bottom. Smacked here. See, the thing with these particular coins, like Ticker Bitcoin, or maybe like Pepe or Mog, or whatever strong ETH liquidity coin, community coin, it is all based on ETH movement. These are based on ETH movement. If we don't get ETH going, then look, ETH BTC. ETH BTC. That's it, my friends. Until we get it here, then we're not getting shit. We're not gonna get anything coming around for a massive pump. I feel like it will happen, but I mean, we gotta let it. Vitalik needs to, I don't know, release a commercial or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should Vitalik fund a commercial? Maybe do like a Coinbase advertisement plan. I don't know. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you later. I'll see you later. I'll see you when I see you. I'll just see you when I see you.